This year, we see the Mana digital currency turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks, or so they thought. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland basically is one of the stars of the play-to-earn pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital money market incredibly. How in every way that really matters, is the undertaking growing now, and what could we at any point in a real sense anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token, which is genuinely critical. How about we sort it out? Decentraland by and large is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain, which truly is genuinely huge. The task was laid out by the Decentraland Foundation back in 2015. Along these lines, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH, which was about $26 million around then. Notwithstanding, the computer-generated simulation stage for the most part was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and collaboration. It resembles a web-based game. Nonetheless, it centers around friendly and financial communications among clients and not on the ongoing interaction itself. Clients impart, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new items in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This really is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All and in Decentraland really is isolated into 90,000 bundles called packages. The truly introductory size of one parcel was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area led a vote. Just later, the size of each parcel in a real sense was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each parcel is an ERC 721 pretty token land. We should explicitly discuss the tokens, or so they in a real sense thought. There fundamentally are two kinds of in-game cryptographic money. Mana and land. Mana is an ERC 20 symbolic that generally assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC 721 token used to sort of mean the option to claim a particular real estate parcel in the game. In really different words, it's a proof of possession in a by and large significant manner. Other than parcels, there truly are roads and plazas in the realm of Decentraland in a fundamentally significant manner. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but designers can make objects on them, which is genuinely critical. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The plazas essentially are points of fascination for clients. Recreational areas and data zones, which is genuinely critical. The nearer the land certainly is to the roads and plazas, the more costly it in a real sense is. The region around Central Plaza essentially is the most costly, very much like the kind of Central Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called regions. For instance, there are shops on Fashion Street and auditoriums in Decentraland University. Every region is possessed and truly oversaw by a neighborhood local area. Tragically, the land in genuinely such regions is as of now not accessible for procurement. How about we for the most part envision that you have land, fortunate. How might you discard your buy? Resell. As the game fills in fame, the cost of land ascends incredibly. Thus, you most certainly turned into a contingent property manager who can profit from it in a sort of huge manner. Lease out the land. You can in every way that really matters, get certainly automated revenue from the obtained land. Place an ad. You can construct any articles on their property, and even spot notices, which for the most part is very huge. In this way, you can sort of balance up a standard of certainly your organization or open a display area in a very significant manner. Open a NFT store. Exceptionally in vogue, isn't that so? Decentraland is NFT consistent with the ERC 721 norm. For instance, advanced specialists can open an exhibition with NFT compositions, in spite of prevalent thinking. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 97 cents. The truly most extreme level that the mana cost can especially reach truly is $1.09. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.01. Mana price forecast for May 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical mana pace of 80 cents in March. Its base and by and large most extreme costs can sort of be normal at 72 cents and at 82 cents, separately. June 2022, Decentraland price forecast in a significant way. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the mana cost in April 2022. The genuinely least exchanging cost could explicitly be 79 cents, while the most extreme could in every practical sense reach 85 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 82 cents. Mana price forecast for July 2022, or so they in every practical sense thought. Crypto investigators have really looked at the value changes of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal mana rate they foresee may be around 85 cents in May, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It can drop to 82 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 88 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. August 2022, Decentraland price forecast, which is genuinely critical. Around mid-year 2022, the mana cost will be exchanged at 88 cents overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to 93 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 84 cents in June 2022, which is very critical. Mana price forecast for September 2022 in an especially huge manner. Crypto specialists have broke down Decentraland costs in 2022, so they in a real sense are prepared to generally give their assessed exchanging normal to July, 90 cents, which is genuinely critical. The least and pinnacle mana rates may be 86 cents and 97 cents, or so they thought. October 2022, Decentraland price forecast. Crypto examiners generally expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the mana cost will be around 93 cents. In August, the Decentraland cost might drop to at least 90 cents. The normal pinnacle worth could explicitly be $1.01 in August 2022, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Mana price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Decentraland costs, digital currency specialists expect that the mana rate could arrive at a sort of limit of $1.05 in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 94 cents. For September, the estimated truly normal of Decentraland is in every way that really matters, almost 97 cents, which essentially is very critical. December 2022, Decentraland price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Decentraland cost will especially be exchanged at the sort of typical degree of $1.01. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2022, the mana cost could basically vacillate somewhere in the range of 97 cents and $1.09. Decentraland price prediction 2023 in a significant manner. After the investigation of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it in every practical sense is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.44. The most extreme expected mana cost might be around $1.68. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.48 in 2023. Decentraland price prediction 2024, which is genuinely huge. In view of the specialized investigation by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying truly least and especially most extreme costs, about $2.01 and $2.44, individually especially. The typical expected exchanging cost in every way that really matters is $2.07 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Decentraland price prediction 2025, which is very critical. The specialists in the field of digital currency have investigated the costs of Decentraland and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the really least mana cost could drop to $2.99, while it's in every practical sense, greatest can generally reach $3.55, which in every practical sense is very huge. By and large, the exchanging cost will in a real sense be around $3.09. Decentraland price prediction 2026 in an especially significant manner. In light of the investigation of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and truly least mana costs are normal in 2020.